The big news this morning is definitely from the oil and gas space. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has now given its nod for a gas price hike. Let's bring on board Prayesh Jain as well to talk about this move. Prayesh, hi, morning. And of course, Reliance Industries is going to be the biggest beneficiary of this. Just your back of the envelope calculations and what it indicates for Reliance and what it means for the company now.
Definitely, Aisha, it's a positive move that the government has done. While it was mostly expected on the streets, and even we had factored in a higher gas price for FY15 compared to FY14. If the volumes remain flat at around 15 MMS kind of levels for the full year of FY15, this would mean an incremental EPS of around 8 to 10%. That is around 6 to 8 rupees kind of earnings jump that can be seen in FY15 from just this gas price hike. So it is material, but but in terms of cash flows, I think so. With bank guarantee, incremental cash flows will flow into the bank guarantee. So from cash flow perspective, it's not material. It's not something that will add to the company's cash flows. But in terms of profitability, definitely it will.
Which was going to be my question, Prayesh. Forget how the financials shape up, but sentimentally this is a big positive. How much upside do you give to Reliance as a result of this move alone?
Sentiment wise, it's definitely a big thumbs up, especially given the fact that the company has seen a lot of ups and downs for its E&P segment, and we have a buy rating on the stock. And from this, actually, it is not it's this event particularly, because there's certain more aspects which are yet to be cleared, like the kinds of the penalty that has been levied on the company, and what is the result of this arbitration that's going on. So currently the E&P segment itself does not account for a much in the SOTP does not account for much of its valuations these now. Most of us analysts don't give it a very high value. And for KG-D6, in fact, it is just around 85-90 rupees, which is at stake. So it's not substantial in terms of valuation, but definitely in terms of sentiment, it's a booster. It's other blocks like the likes of NEC25 and furthermore the CBM blocks. All these are things which we'll have to look forward to, and there is no cap on gas prices and future trends moving towards the market prices. I think so. It's a positive move for its overall E&P portfolio, but which will be over a longer term, not in the near term.
Prayesh, what about the other two beneficiaries, ONGC as well as All India? Where do you see the stocks headed from here?
Even they would see a substantial earnings jump, but it comes with a catch that the finance minister earlier had said that the production price and the consumption price would be different. Whether there is no clarity on that in this decision, and if the difference has to be borne by by ONGC and Oil India, the upsides would be limited. But on the flip side, any incremental gas price also means that the government, these companies give higher royalties, higher cess, and higher taxes and higher dividends. So some part of money comes back to the government. So that mathematics will keep these stocks under some pressure, or probably relatively underperform in the near term.